Welcome to my channel, Nina Ejimof Unleashed. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert a video to a phone frame. Kindly like, share. If you enjoyed the video, like, share. Click the notification button so that you'll be notified when we release the next video. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you. Let's go. Project. Select the video you want to add. Add the video. You go to ratio. Select 9.16. Adjust the video to the size you want it. Mark the good sign. Hope you're following what I'm doing. You mark the good sign. You go to frame. Frame, we get frame as sticker. You go to sticker. Here you will see frame. Okay. You scroll down to sticker. You scroll down to select the phone frame you want to add. Scroll down. This is, you can see the phone frame. Okay, you click on it. The first frame is the one I want to use. This is the frame I want to use. You select it. Okay?
I noticed that
drag it from here. You drag it from here to adjust it to the size of the video. You adjust it the way you want it. Okay, you mark the good sign. Okay, you go to Canva to add color to the background. Here I want to use a yellow background. No, let's use blue background. Okay, this is better. Okay, let's not make it very shouty. Adjust it. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, you have selected the background, the Canva. Then you go to, I mark the good sign. Okay, you highlight the video. You go to mask. Okay, you click mask. You select this rectangular shape. Okay, you select it. Okay, you now drag this arrow here, and this one here. That's what you would drag. You drag the first one to elongate it. You drag the second one to take it to the side of the width. Then you drag this one here to round the edges. Okay, you drag it here. That is the video. Gently. Okay, you drag this one here too. Okay, now drag this, mark the good sign, go back to sticker so you can elongate this, okay, to the length of the video. It has passed, so you just have to split and remove the end that you don't want. Split and remove. It's already in your phone frame that you want, then you download it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe.